Let me help you get through it. Let's begin with a look at your radar. Right now, clear across the state. Cold front passed through. You can kind of see on the edge there the storm system that's going to bring parts of the East Coast, including D.C. All of that snowfall through the day today is what was responsible for the cold front we had blow through yesterday. In its wake, our temperatures are quite cold this morning. A widespread freeze here in central Texas, below freezing here in Austin as we currently sit at 30 in downtown, 20s out towards the west, 20s and 30s to the east. Looking ahead, not much of a warm up, but we'll take 40s considering how cold it is this morning. High of 47 today, and then we drop fairly quickly again back down to very cold temperatures tonight. A cold weather advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. this morning. As highlighted earlier, our wind chills this morning are largely in the teens and 20s. That's going to be the case through this morning as we're still fighting those post-cold front gusty winds out of the north-northeast. This could be reissued again tonight into tomorrow. And again, this is that cold weather advisory new as of this season. We no longer use wind chill advisories. It's going to be cold weather advisories moving forward. Let's talk about the skies. Plenty of sunshine today. In fact, we'll struggle to see clouds most of the day. I think the clouds will eventually come in tonight into tomorrow. Tomorrow still looking mainly sunny and dry though. As we get into Wednesday, a disturbance coming out of the Pacific looks to throw some moisture at us, and we're cloudy almost all day Wednesday. Late Wednesday into Thursday is when we start to see a little bit more moisture down here at the ground to begin the wintry mix potential. Now, whether it falls as sleet, freezing rain, snow, or just plain liquid rain, that line is going to be real tough this far out. We're still good 3 to 4 days in advance. So this is going to likely change, and we'll fine tune this getting closer. But what we do know is there is that wintry mix potential here in central Texas starting Wednesday night and continuing on Thursday. We do have pretty good model agreement that Thursday, whether you're looking at computer model number 1 or even computer model number 2, that we've got a mix of likely some rain further to the east, maybe that freezing rain, sleet, snow mix here in Austin, and then more of that chance of accumulating snow out towards the hill country once we do get into the afternoon on Thursday. But all of our models are also showing this out of here Friday afternoon. So my biggest concern would be Wednesday night through Friday morning. What do we know for sure? We know it's going to be cold in the afternoons all week long. Frigid nights with widespread freezes the next 5 to 6 nights. We will get sunshine today and tomorrow. We will get some type of precipitation beginning late Wednesday through Thursday and Friday. What we don't know is where will that freezing line set up, and that obviously is going to play into the potential accumulations of who gets snow, who just gets plain old rain, and whether or not we have to deal with icing. So a very complicated forecast as we get into the middle to later part of the next week. We have to make sure that we have a way to connect with each other. So the KXAN weather app right here in KXAN News Today, those are going to be your outlets to get the information you need. Highs in the 30s and 40s all the way up until this weekend. Main time frame there late Wednesday, Thursday into Friday with the wintry mix. Overnight lows very cold moving forward.